Welcome to a Sunday session. I am going to start building the Apple One replica. So that's what this is. And I've gone shopping in my parts bin for various parts. As you can see, we've got I think almost everything on the BOM. So the first thing we're going to start out with is doing the lowest parts first. So let us begin. So we're doing resistors first. And of course, since I'm an old fart and I can't remember my codes, we have our Radio Shack in resistor color code thingy. Okay, so we have a bunch of resistors here. So let's find the 1 meg. 1 meg, 1 million. So 000, 1 0. That's 10,000. That's 100,000. That's 1 million. So brown, black, green, which is this guy right here. Brown, black, green, gold, 5%. That should do it. And we need our little bender. And find a spot. Let's put it in. That looks good. Then we need 47K. 2, 3, 4, 2, 7K. 47 and 3 0. So yellow, purple, orange. So what do we have in here? Yellow, purple, orange. And I'm putting all the golds to the right, the tolerance band, that is. So here we go. Another one. Our next one is 1K. And of course 1K being brown and lots of zeros. Black and 2 zeros, so brown, black, red. Let's see what this one is. Brown, black, orange. Nope, no good. How about this guy? Brown, black, red, gold. 1K. Okay. Let's put that in. Gold going the right way. Yep. Here we go. Then we need, let's see, 330 ohm. So that's threes, and that of course is orange, orange, and black. No, brown. Orange, orange, brown. So we need one with 2 oranges and a brown. Nope. 2 oranges and a red. Nope. Did I get the wrong resistors out? 2 oranges and brown. They mark it as 330 ohms. Yeah, 330 ohms. Should be orange, orange, brown. So what did I pull out of the bin? Orange, orange, red. Well, obviously I got the wrong resistors out of the thing. And I did this a long time ago on organization. So this is the low end of the resistors. 120, 400, no, 47, 120, 180, 200, 330. So this should be this envelope. Get one out here. Orange, orange, brown. Correct. Let's see. What have I gotten here? So these big ones like this are like half a watt. These guys, half a watt. These guys here probably also half. I don't want such big resistors. So we're going to do a blue one. Orange, orange. This is orange, orange, black, black. Now what we have here is a extra color band one. So we have to do this. So first band is orange, 3, 3. Third band is black, 0. Yeah, so this is right. I think. For the brown is a tolerance, 1%. So 330 times 1 is 330. Yeah, this should be okay in this color code. So, and then in the old color code, this one, it is orange, orange, brown, gold, which matches the 3 color code one. So keep an eye on that. You got to watch out for that. And we need to bend. So our 330 right there. Okay, so 10K. So back to here, it's going to be brown, black, 10. That's 1,000. 10 and 3 0. So brown, black, orange. This guy right here. Brown, black, orange. And put that one in here. Brown, black, orange for the gold on it. Okay. We have another one here at 3.3K. So 3 is orange. 3,300. So 3,300. That's 3,300. Okay. So orange, orange, red. That's these guys. Now I guess I have a whole bunch of these on the board. Yeah, all down here. 3, 3, 3, 3. So let's get these out. Like so. Get into our bender. And this one, I think. I think we have 10 of these to do. Or 8 of them. Something like that. Okay, so 3.3K there. And what else we have here? That's a capacitor, 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 capacitor. Oh, 3.3K right here. Okay, that's another one. Down between here. Now it's going gold downwards, so I will continue doing that. It's more cosmetic than anything else. It's not like the resistors have a polarity to them. Okay, and another one right here. Let's see, my third guess, I get a gold going the right way. Hey, I do. Okay, so that's 3.3. What else we got here? One capacitor here. There's a capacitor in here, here, here. I don't see any more resistors. All caps. Okay, according... Now let's clean this up a little bit because this is a mess. I have one more resistor on the table here. Wonder where that one goes. I know I pulled it out for a reason. So this is 330. Goes between 270 and 360. And this whole thing can go back up here. We don't need it anymore. There. Okay. So let's see. We have one more resistor somewhere. Where? Obviously I'm missing a resistor because I have it on the table. Why do I have one on the table? C4, C5. Two C's. Well, they list the resistor, but they don't list where it is. Okay, just a sec. I have to go back to the bomb. So they list. And this one here is... Oh, the brown, brown, black. Okay. Maybe that's not a problem. Okie dokie. Okay, so we have caps. Let's find out here. C1 through C9 and C11 are the 100 nanofarads. And that is 10 of them. And that's these guys right here. So let's find C1. There it is. Only problem putting these things is getting their legs to stop wiggling. In fact, I am now going to get my little support thingy out. And we're going to do a bit of soldering of the resistors and get them out of the way. Okie dokie. Parts. I swear I'm going to have to do something about that one day. So, solder. Can't see something on my own screen here. There we go. I take my glasses off for this. There we go. That's that side. It's usually resistors with very thin wires that are a pain in the ass to do. The thicker ones are easier. Oh, 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 oh. Get out of my way. That's that capacitor, I'm pretty sure. Okay. That looks good. Where's my glasses? I need the trash bag. Trash can, actually. What did I do with it? Oh, I stacked a bunch of stuff on it. Trash can. Move over parts. Don't lose track of that. Okay. Okay. There we go. So. Never put your finger over the wire unless you want to hit the fly in your face or something like that. Or worse, I find, is getting on the carpet and then you step on it. I'm going to start with this one actually. I think I have almost all the parts for this. The only question I'm having is whether to put the 10 megahertz 65 CO2 on here and jumper it, or wait for the true blue 1 megahertz 6502 to come in. I do have a. They're in the country, I think. They're just not here from AliExpress yet. Now I know some people will just simply, whoops, that's what I mean by snap. I hope I don't step on it. I'll have to hunt for it. Okay, there we go. Our cap is a little high out. Well, we can fix that. There we go. There we go. So, we need more caps. So, C1 through C9, according to this. So that was C1. That's C8 over there, C2 right there. And I made the label all face left, so I'll make all the labels face left if they're in a vertical like this. Okay. Where's C3? C4 is right here. There's C3. And C4. Okay. Imagine these guys in their basement assembling these things. C4, C5. Not these ones, the actual original Apple ones. And Jobs and Wozniak were sitting in a garage doing this stuff. Imagine actually making the PCB template to get it made, and you had to do tape method. I don't know if you know about this. They used to go and use these little strips of tape and circles and stuff like this, and they would put it all on the copper, measure it all out, line it all up, and that's how they would make the first etches. C5, C6. Where's C6? C6 right there. By the way, these are all 100 nanofarads, so in capacitor lingo, 104. 10 and 4 zeros. Something like that. So we need C7. There it is, right there. Okay. We need C8. There it is down here. Okay. C9. Haven't found C9 yet. Got to be around here somewhere. C9 right there. Okay. And according to the thing, C11 is the next one. So we have to find a C11. Right there. I can guess what these resistors in the C11 are doing. They're controlling the 555 timer that's in here. Don't worry, I got lots of 555. I forgot to pull one off the sheet. Okay. It's okay. I will get that. Okay. So let's put this back in here. Actually, let's put it in this way. Put this over here. And off with the old glasses. And bend the solder so we can actually get it in there. Okay. Take it out of our rack here and check it out. So we need to do some clip with our trash can. In this case, I do have to take glass off again because I can barely see these wires. Whoops, that was dumb, William. Remember finger. There we go. Okay. So, I think I might take my posters and get them laminated. That'd preserve their life. I'll have to find a place in town, a print shop that does lamination. There we go. All on board. So that is those capacitors. One's the 9 and 11. So C10 is supposed to be a 10 microfarad electrolytic, which I have right here. One electrolytic. And I believe that is in the middle. So plus is that way, negative is that way. Gotta get our polarity right on this one. we go. Yeah, it wasn't clamped correct. That's okay. There we go. So that's the 10. Then C12 is a 10 nanofarad. I have that right here. 103. So we need to find C12 right here. Now I kind of like these caps, but I wish I had more values in them, which I don't. There we go. Okay. Clip them. Clip them. Okay, so that is that one. Okay, so those are all the caps. So we have a switch. And we have an LED. So let's do the LED first. So this is the power indication LED. And of course, classical William. But that's why we have the engineer's ruler. Plus is the long leg. Thank you. So plus is the long leg. That has to be this way. Slide it back in here for a sec. There we go. Okay. The switch goes here. Little reset switch. Okay. Off of the old glasses again, of course, because this is pretty small. There we go. One switch. Okay. So I've covered all the caps. I've covered the switch. What else have we got to do? Lots of jumper blocks. The diode. So we have a lot of jumpers to do. Do we want to do sockets or jumpers? We do have the crystals still too to do. So the dot, I presume, is this way. There, like that, the crystal. Okay, so one crystal. If you're wondering, the dot in the corner of the crystal corresponds to the pin here, the square. Okay, so one crystal. Good thing I brought the sockets down, because I don't think I brought a 555 timer socket down for this timer. Let us check our bin. So this is my socket bin. So we need, how many pins? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need one of these. But you're saying, William, just solder it in. No. We won't do that. And where's our this? There we go. Get the rest of those in. There we go. So there we go. There's our thing. Now I had two of these. I don't have this socket, but I do have two of them to make up that socket. So as long as I get them in correctly, and we're really on this. There we go. Come on. There. So what we want to do, there we go. That's one. Not quite in. There we go. No, we are. And then we put this socket with the hole pointing inward, like so. Whoa, what did I just do? Oh boy. Shit. I am missing everything. Cancel. Where did all my programs go? You know, that's one thing I hate in KDE is the task switcher. I know that that's all running, but where is it running? There we go. Need another app to trigger it. I literally switched the desktop to a completely new set of desktops, and I couldn't see a damn thing. I'm going to have to do something about that. There's an option you can do in KDE to only use one. Okay, so where was I? Oh, yeah. I was about to put this in. Okay. Good. Okay, so we have to put the rest of the socket in. If you're wondering, I'm kind of holding my breath while I do this. There we go. So that's that socket. So they would have us put a jumper down there. I forgot to put that jumper in. Gotta be careful of that. So I think the concept, so we need a brass clip for a sec. I think the concept here is you can switch between the 555 timer or the clock oscillator. There we go. Okay, so then they have another jumper here. The USB power. So we'll put one on here. There we go. So that does USB power jumper. Okay, so there's another jumper here, VP ground. This one right here. So you can do a lot of settings on this thing. You can change things around, pick the correct 6502, that sort of thing. Okay, so that jumper. Then we have a 3 jumper here. This is this. So depending which one you put on, PIE enable. So we'll put a 3 here. Like so. Now I just want to make sure my jumper block is straight, because it's not. Now it is. Up. There we go. Let's be careful of the camera cable. Okay, so. Okay. There is a jumper 3 here. That one is RAM thing, something about RAM. Not quite sure. I think it has to do with which type of RAM chip you put in. Come on, guys. I seem to have buttery fingers today. Okay. Okay, so. Oh, that's completely wrong. There we go. Are we straight? Can't tell. No, we're slightly crooked. There we go. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, we have another triple down here. So was our clip. Okay, so is this right? Hard to tell. Yep, that's good. Parallax view. If you don't know what it is, it has to deal with old multimeters with a needle in it. One of the first lessons I had in electronics, how to read a meter, an analog meter, and compensate for parallax, because your eyeballs are dumb. Okay, so we have 3 more jumper blocks here. A13 and A14. Okay, so we need 2 more of these. So that goes here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, that's one of them. And another 3. All I can say is, when you buy from AliExpress, get big bulk buys of stuff like this. You're going to go through a lot of it. I mean, these jumper blocks and stuff like that. Don't be afraid to get, you know, you might see a couple of strips for like $1, and then you'll see this big box of strips for, $7 or $10. Get the big box of strips; it's worth it. Again, to really like this rack, I think this is one of the best ones I've got of all the ones I tried out. Okay, so we have all the caps, all the resistors, the crystal, these 2 sockets done. Let us deal with the middle sockets here. So we've got the 74HC138 16, and I believe this is it. Let's get this thing oriented right. Come on, William. There we go. So where's that little copper here, just to hold the socket up? Only problem with this stand, the hole is slightly too big. There we go. So that's that socket, but I have not done it. And then I have 2 others here for the next 2. The HC104. This one. There we go. Okay, and then the next one, this. There we go. I haven't done all the pins yet, of course. I'm just putting the sockets in. So then we have these guys. These are, one is the ROM, one is the RAM. Yeah, on an old Apple One, there'll be a lot more sockets than this. There we go. Let's go and get our copper clip again. As you notice, I am doing the corners of each socket. Okay, so this one, and we got the hole right, and got the hole right on this one. So, like so. You know, even on these sockets, I almost don't even need the copper clip. I just need my finger. Okay, come on, guys. There we go. Okay, so that's that one. Now, I was debating on the CPU. I happen to have a really nice socket. So, this is the 6502. This is a very precision socket. I'm going to take the CPU out after once I do 2 pins. I don't think I have any more of these really nice pin sockets. But where's our pry tool? We want to take the CPU out, actually. There we go. So 16502. And then the other socket here, I have the conventional one. I don't see myself taking the 6822 or 6821. That's the other big chip out. So I'm going to stick with this. But if you have a choice of buying sockets, buy the one with the round holes in it like this versus the square holes like this. These are cheap, dime a dozen, but they're not that best of a socket. Come on. Feels like that's not even in quite. There it is. Okay. So now we're ready to actually solder all these guys. So let us begin. I'll do the big ones first. Looks like I'll have to unroll another roll. There. Okay, next run. Oh, how did I get a piece of fiber in here? There we go. Okay, so these are the ROMs and RAM sockets. Okay. Whew. I think this is a lot of pins to solder. Okay, now these are the really good pins, except I'm not bending my solder in the right direction. I mean, we're talking, what, 40 pins a socket here on these ones? 36, I think, on the RAM. Need more solder. Just finished running out. There we go. Okay. Now the other side. Okay. Oops, the other long socket. Wow. This is what you almost want. I've been tempted to try that pencil out. There's a type of soldering station that has an auto feed soldering thing on it. I just wanted to make sure that socket was actually fully in. It was looking like the pins were a little off. Whoa. Don't usually get a crackle from this stuff. Okay. Then we have these sockets here. That didn't come in contact. Come on, there we go. Watch your fingers, William. You don't want to burn yourself like you did as a kid. There we go. We still have to do the 555 timer socket at the top. Wow, I am really eating through solder. So we have this socket still to do. Oh, I did do it, except I missed one pin. Huh. Okay. So, let's have a look. See, I didn't miss any pins. Nope. 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 No. Good. Okay, so last big ticket item to put in place. The thing is, I actually don't know which direction this is supposed to go in. Well, it can be flipped around anyway, so I have a bent pin. There we go. Let's try this again. There we go. Nope. There we go. So this is the, I believe the key, how it handles keyboard and serial and stuff like that. They do it through a little Arduino. There we go. Okay, let's have a look. Glasses on. There we go. Put this aside for a sec. We'll wait, resist, jumpers. So let's see. How does it work? PIE enable. Here's your basic static EEPROM. Okay, so if we want to power this, we can get the power from the Arduino. There we go. And then in here we have UM6502 an R65 CO2. We have the jumper. Which one? VP ground. So we need VP ground. There we go. So if we put a jumper on there, that handles that one. Okay, and then we have PIE enable. ROM enable. Jumper these two to enable the ROM. Probably going to need that. Enable jumper these two for, I believe that's the Arduino. Okay, what else have we got? There's A13 and A14. What do they do? I think they determine the size of the RAM enable. Yeah, we'll enable the RAM. I don't know why you wouldn't enable the RAM. So A13 and A14, I don't know what those actually do yet. I think they deal with the size of the RAM and the size of the ROM. RAM enable, ROM enable. Well, let me just look it up on the site here. A13 and A14. RAM, ROM, PI enable, A13, A14. Here we go. Jumper set USB power, oscillator enabled, shorted, use onboard clock. This connects the 8 pin to the clock line. Open to use external clock gauge supplied by the clock pin of the expansion bus connector. Okay. So oscillator enabled. So shorted, use the onboard clock. Okay, that's another jumper. VP ground, I've done PA, RAM, A13. Right pair shorted, A13, address 9 pulled low, left pair shorted, and address pulled high. For 8K by 8K AT28C64 EEPROM, use no jumpers, nothing shorted. For 8K by 32 AT28C256 EEPROM, program the lowest 8 bank and short the right hand pair, both A13 and A14. Oh, okay. So let's put some chips on here. So first of all, the big long one, this guy right here. So we'll put this guy here. Sometimes you have to get all the legs kind of bent. Let's see. We're not quite in. I can feel it. This is the problem with... well, that's why. Holy smoly, William. How did you miss? Okay, so... everyone on that side. Okay, so... let's bend down... okay. That's a little too much. This is a hard socket to get in. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that one's in. Now let's do our logic one. So we have a SN74HC04, and 04 is this one right here, and we need this into here. There we go. 4. Yeah, 4 is in. Our next logic chip is 00. That's this one right here. The very first chip in the Texas Instrument TTL catalog. There we go. Okay, next one. So we have here the 138. That's that one. All pins straight. Yep. There you go. 138. Now we have our 6821P, which is this right here. So this will be a royal fun. Let's see. Let's see if we get this in. Whoa, we might actually get it in. Let's see. Not quite. Where's my pokey tool? These legs aren't good. There we go. That's better. No bent legs. Nope. So that's that one. Our CPU. At the moment, it is 165 CO2 10. This is the not an original. Okay. There we go. All lined up, all in the right direction. All the pins in. There you go. Now, this guy here is an 62256. That goes in here. And if I remember correct, this is a static RAM. So let's do a little leg straightening here. I think I'm going to have to invest in that leg straightening tool for the dips. There is one, actually. Nope, still not quite right. Okay. There we go. Okay. That just leaves the ROM. Now, I put the ROM somewhere. I'm sure I have the ROM somewhere. Why did I not pull the ROM down? Let's put this back in sockets, and let's go get the sheets down again, because I swear I was looking at the ROM. Oh. Oh. Okay. ROMs. I'm sure I had the ROM out. So we have 62 256, 27C512, and AT28C16. Oh, was that the problem? They were expecting a 28C64 or 28C60 256. So dum. Let's just look this one up, the one I used here. HM 62256. ELP-10. I'm pretty sure this is static RAM. Yeah, that's static RAM. WC20C512. I think that might be a ROM. W27C512. Yeah, that's a ROM. So they have 28C256 and 28C64, and I happen to have it 512. And there's my problem. I need a different one. So I'll have to order a part of AliExpress for the ROM. That's the one thing I don't have. I thought I might have ordered it already, and well, we'll see. I know I ordered a True 6502. I mean, in theory, I think you can run this without the ROM because you can disable the ROM. ROM enable, ROM disable. Well, we'll have to find out. So I'm kind of stuck. Got 99% of it. Well, no, 90% of it done. I'll have to go get the Arduino file from the site. Um, and there's more. It's like I haven't even put this bottom edge here on, but the idea is this sticks into an edge connector card thingy, and then you get other cards and you make, which I don't have yet. So that and that. Come on. Yes, this is the bin of headers. So let's put that away. Solder. Let's take this off for a sec. And we have 3 extra jumpers here. I'll have to do something about that. And that extra resistor, and this is garbage, and 1 extra cap. I took it out just in case, but I need to put it all back. I do have a bin of scrap parts. And my foam resistor guides. And if I remember correctly, one of these cables is what I want. This one? No, the USB-C one I want. It's not that this will work or anything. I just want to get into the this guy here, which is currently just running a Blink program. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna load up. So here's the GitHub and this is the BOM. So I happen to have the blue version. I have I think a Rev 5 of the board, something like that. So this board's white out is slightly different. But you get the picture. That's what this guy is looking like. Although I don't know why he's got his ISP header pointing downward. I don't think this red board had that, but I think mine is a slightly different board. I think they did some changes to it. Yeah, in fact, I'm pretty sure they did. Around the 555 timer, they changed some stuff. Yeah, see, he pointed all. I would have pointed that upward. Okay, so what we want in here is the software, I believe. Examples, firmware. Okay, so this. So this is a complete working platform. So probably what I want to do with this whole project actually is extract to Git. So we'll go like this and we'll copy it and we will go here and we'll go into work, Git, and Git clone and paste that line and we'll go get the whole thing. Now, so we want the software. And Arduino, Control P, and people over here, Platform IO, Projects, Arduino, and we will put that project over there. Now I don't know if I might have to do some tweaking with the code to make sure this all works. So let's find out. Oh yes, one. Can't see my secret keystrokes. 3. Must have rebooted. Oh right, I fixed the USB front and then I kind of caused the machine to reboot. Okay. So we have projects. Add existing projects. Arduino. Whoops. One too far. We should have somewhere here. PI communicator. Open. Open. Okay. Not bad. Let's see what happens just after the index rebuilds downstairs. Oh, it's done. So, can I push code? And let's say terminal, run terminal. There we go. Let's look at output here. Okay. Platform. Oh, there it is. Platform upload. Let's try. My rules are updated. Okay. Just a sec. This has to deal with. Let me go. Copy link. What are you missing? Yeah. Copy. So the problem here is, for some reason, my UDEV rules are wrong. So let's go here and go here and go here and go paste and go and move this up here. So okay. Okay. Copy. And I presume they wanted me to be root. Alt 3. Paste. Let's see. Curl from raw, get buster content, platform IO, platform core master scripts 99, platform UD rules, sudo T, put it in etc UDev rules at the platform. Okay, let's try. Okay. CD etc UDev rules. There we go. 99 platform IO. Okay, Vi 99 platform IO. Let's have a look. Okay. Then we have to actually get it to work. UDev admin control reload. UDev admin trigger. Okay. So we're going to just reset this. Message. There we go. And we go back to our code here. Let us try again. Not responding. Oh, I know why. Which firmware we have on here? Like which nano? Okay, I might have to use the old one. Yes. So let me just look at it another INI, because what's happening here is this board is the wrong board. It is a nano, but it is not the nano you think it is. It could be having the old boot ROM in it, and if it does, we need a different line there. So CD platform, CD project, CD Arduino. Let's look in Blink, because I believe Blink has a master. Actually, I think I fixed all these and made them all conforming. No. Oh boy. Okay. I thought I had fixed this. Nanos, Unos, Megas. I added them to all my sample ones. That's the right one. Nano 18 Mega 328. Mega 328P. Yes, it's the right one. So why aren't you programming? Speed? No, that doesn't make sense. Let's try that. Aha! Try again. Nope. Still not responding. Okay, T2I USB 0. That could be a problem right there. Dum 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 dum. I need to know which one you are on, actually. We are on... No, we are on T2I USB 0. So that should not be a problem. Okay. Yes, I know you failed. Why? Yeah, you auto detect, that's fine. This part I hate about Arduino is figuring out what went wrong. Now, I know I did this, but I think I did the blink program through Arduino's. So let's just park this just for a sec and bring up this guy here. Okay, and whoops, I didn't mean to do that. I just wanted to close the damn window. I didn't want that file. You could do a little. Okay, file, open, recent, no, sketchbook, no example. Yes, thank you, basics, blink. Okay, so the blink program tools. We are doing nano tools. We are doing USB tools. We are doing not good. Programmer. I think that will do. Tools. Let's try this. Push the blink program to the thing. Yep, so that's fine. So which nano did it get bored of? So the only list one now. The old one used to list 2 nanos. I wonder in here. Let's see. Home boards. What's this? 4 things. Updates. Update. Okay. Update the Mega. Okay. Update the Pi. Okay. Oh, that's a big update. Okay. Update the STM32s. Okay. Now boards. Find nano. $16 boards. So 128, 328, 328 new bootloader. Well, which bootloader? Okay, let's add the 328. And if we go back to here, just borrow that for a sec. So what we do is we borrow this, but we change this in here. New, Control S. Okay, so we go down here and we take the new and bring this up here and try to push again. There we go. So this one has the new bootloader on it. Some of the nanos I have the old bootloader on it. But there we go. We pushed in the PIO stuff. Oh, I don't need to do it twice. There we go. So there we go. Oh, we did forget one chip on here. The 555 timer. I have a billion of them. Well, not quite a billion. 599 billion, trillion, quadrillion. So, nope, nope, nope. This guy here. So, we need a 555 timer. And there's one right there. Yes, these little black foam pieces are handy, handy, handy. Great place to put chips and then stuff. So, let's unplug. And we need to put it in that way. We need to bend the legs a little bit. Let's try that. So, there we go. 1NA555P. There we go. So, this is programmed. We don't have the ROM yet. So, we can't program the WAS code. And I can actually check. Let me just go to... where's my AliExpress here? Let me log in. Sign in. Please verify. Yes. Oh, secret codes. MRRP. Yeah, CAPTCHA. Verified. Sign in. Oop, there we go. Okay. Let's go to my orders. Okay. Alt 7. Okay, so here we are. So 6502s, 6522s. I already got these. So what we're actually after here is 28C64, which I don't seem to have. 28C64. There we go. 10-piece slot. Ooh, price has gone up. 5P. Let's see what we got here. 10 pieces at 12. 5 pieces at 23. 2 sold. 1. Oh. What do I want? A lot of variance in here. Well, it looks like a block of 10 is roughly 12 bucks. Okay, so I prefer to get 10 pieces like this. AT 28C64B. Okay, so let's click this. We'll take one lot of them, add it to the cart, continue shopping. And the other one we're going to look for is C256. Yep, okay. 1. No, 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 no. 2. No, 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 no. 20? No, 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 no. 5? Okay. Okay, add to cart. Continue shopping. Now, I was running short of female headers. So, I have lots and lots of mail, so let's go headers, Gmail, these things. Now I have a bin of them coming, so we'll wait. See, those are the round pinned ones right here. And I have corner ones. No, I should be okay on this. I got that 2 containers worth. Was there anything else I wanted from here? I don't think so. Um, hmm. Oh, I know what I was after. I have all those caps, the older style. I was wondering whether they have the newer style caps. Well, apparently I can't spell capacitor correctly. Let's try that. Wow, I ended up in the inductor department. This is what I was after here. So I've got these guys here. Lots of those. But I really like these guys here. So let's click this and see what we get. I don't know what the value set is in it. We need to look down here. Okay, so we've got 24 values. 10, 22, 30, 47, 100. Picos. Pico, pico. So that's the ones I used here. I mean, this is the idea. Okay, so... and I like the container. So we'll add to cart. Continue shopping. We don't really need high volt. I don't need a 6 kilovolt. 180 piece. What's this? 720 pieces. 3 kilovolts. No. 24 value. Electrolytics. No. Got lots of those. 2000 volts. I don't think I'm playing with 2000 volts, guys. No, 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 no. Um, 684 pieces lot, 63 volt, 100 volt, 24 values. Microfarad to 2.2. No. I'm not into surface mount much yet. I've done a little bit. See, what's this? So 24 values, 20 pieces. $480 pieces at 2.02. So move the decimal. Couple places. About $9. About what I was playing for the other ones. Okay. Lots of resistor. I've got inductors. What other parts could I get? I hate getting something from AliExpress, not getting a bunch of stuff. Let's just go for kits. Let's see what we got here. I built that already. That was dumb. Hey, I wonder what got the new if they got any new Christmas tree ones. What the heck is this? Oh, cute. But I'm not going to buy that. So I built this clock, yes. What's this one? No. I got those. If you're going to buy this stuff, buy like the 3,000, 5,000 pack of variety. More variety. You look at this and it says values times 10 pieces. How many? 300 pieces. So 30 values. It's not bad. I didn't plan to buy a zillion crystal resonators. This is actually not a bad idea. This is op amps, 555s, a variety of different ones. Actually, I think I'll add that one to my cart. This is a programmer. I've got two of those. What else we got here? Battery holders. Those are really big resistors. They're probably 1 watt, half watt, something like that. I've got one of these gizmos, but not as simple as this one. What's in here? Diodes. I got lots of those. 310 piece pinning kit. Yeah, I got those. Generic kit of stuff. Oh, what the heck is this? Oh, wow. Yes. Oh, this is cool looking. Wow. This looks like one of those kids things you get for teaching them. Well, that's hydraulics, definitely hydraulics. These are actually also a good idea. Um, if you're doing surface mount, it's getting sample books because they contain a lot of variety and they're very, very cheap. It's highly doubtful you'll go through. I need a wheel or reel. What's this? Thermistors. That's not a thermistor. That's really wrong. Let's see. Yeah, they definitely got the wrong picture for that. These are those cutters I'm using, by the way. Right here. See? Plato, 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 Plato. And as you can see, it's only $3. So if you do this, you buy like 10 of them at once or something like that, 5 of them at once. Breadboards. Got lots of those. What else we got? Metal detector? And no, thank you. What's this? What is this? Oh, potentiometers. Oh, okay. Lithium ion. This is not a value pack. See, $14. Well, you can get a lot more resistors for $14. Well, that's actually not bad. 4,250 pieces. 8,500 pieces. Wow. Resistor sampler book. Remember that $14 for 150? Wow. Here, 560 for $5. What else we got here? Timers, Play-Doh cutters. uh, what the heck is this? Oh, okay. I know what those are. Wow. I can guess the toys can't even get them to us in time. Getting close. Um, what's this? Um, oh, you don't want to pop the text up, do you? Okay. 500 books, parts, Leonardo. I have one Leonardo. It's in the list. Christmas tree. I was hoping for a bigger Christmas tree. I got like built like 3 of those trees already. What's this? Trimming pots. Okay, fine. $600 for $2. Yeah, see what I mean? What's this? 5 100 volt. Correction capacitor package kit. Okay. This is a training kit for SMD. Get your fingers from stop vibrating. Oh, cute. You know, I could look in here is pin straightener. Dip pin straightener. Let's try that for a sec. No, 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 not wish list. Dip pin straight. Maybe I didn't spell straight. Let's try pin straight. Pin straightener. No, that's hair straighteners. No. Um, Pin straightener tool. No. I see pin straightener tool. No. No. I think I can get them from DigiKey. Electronic. Um, William, you can't even spell electronic right today. Christmas. Yeah. Collection of Christmas trees. Yeah, I built a ton of these guys here. Oh, that's cute. A rotating one. What others we got here? Lots of the triangle ones. The rotating one. What else we got here? This is strictly a flat one. I think we're already out of that. Now it looks like we're already out of the electronics kits. Let's say electronic kit. Oh, that's a very tiny one. What the heck is that? Yeah, I built a ton of those. I haven't built the rotating one. Hmm. Hmm. I'm tempted. You get an idea how big these guys are with this person's hand. Oh, that's a different way of doing it. Hmm. I'll add that to the cart. Let's keep going. Oh, that's a different one. I think that's what that one is. Oh, we'll see. All right. Okay. Now we're a little too late for Halloween stuff. By the time I ordered, it would be like weeks to get here. So what's this? uh, oh, that's too much. Yes, Santa Claus is a driver's license. Well, we'll just do this. Flagmo. There we go. Wonder what they want. Uh, yeah, that's what I thought. They hand me coupons that never work. See? Oh, I got a coupon. Oh, does that one? Nope. See? There you go. Okay. Oops. Didn't mean to do that. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. Come on. There we go. So I think I'm going to cut it. We got most of this built. Uh, We just need this, and I've ordered it. And this is programmed. So next thing we do is when I get the ROMs, we use our EEPROM programmer and we program the ROM. Hopefully I know how to do it. And then we try it out. So everything is going so. And then I might go and get the board where you stick this in, like so. So we'll see. And you go over here. And this will be the end. Like the song says, this is the end.